Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to add or pin your Google Calendar in your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you have clicked on open, you would be redirected to this Google Chrome browser. And before you proceed, please proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see an attachment link there. The link that I've attached, please copy it. And once you have copied it, please proceed at the Windows address bar and press Ctrl V in the keyboard so that you would be able to paste the link. Once you have pasted it, please click on enter to proceed. Now you would be redirected to this new window, which is your Google Calendar, and we need to install this one. So how we can do so, please navigate to the upper side of the screen. You can see there three dots. Click on it and scroll down and locate for cast, save, and share. So from here at the left side of that, you can see there an option called install page as application. Click on it and this small window would ask you to confirm your action. Please click on install so that you can install this in your Windows PC or laptop. So the moment this window would show up, meaning you have successfully installed it, and it will ask you to set the mode of your calendar. You can go with light, dark, or device default. In my case, I'll prefer on light. Click on got it and close or minimize the window and as well as this Google Chrome browser. Now, in order to pin this Google Calendar or to add it in your Windows 11 taskbar, you can simply click on yes when when your Windows would ask you, okay, or you can simply do a right click here, okay, and please scroll down and click on show more options and this window would show up. So here, click on pin to taskbar and in that way, you would be able to pin it here in your Windows 11 taskbar. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy to pin or add your Google Calendar in your taskbar. This is good for easy access since you can simply easily access your calendar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.